Hello guys, it's me Hasba with WTI and I love traveling, and this bag right here has gone everywhere in the world with me, and today I want to show you all the cool features it has. This is the 15.6-inch Matein heavy-duty backpack, and I literally take it everywhere with me because the size is just perfect for my 30-inch laptop and all my work stuff. Something I value a lot about this backpack is the USB charging port, which will allow you to charge your phone without having to hold a power bank in your hands. And it comes with this key hook for you to quickly get your keys. It also has comfortable soft padded back design with this thick but soft ventilated padding, which gives you maximum back support so your back won't hurt. And it's breathable and adjustable shoulder straps relieve the stress of your shoulder, so you will be able to carry your backpack everywhere with no problem. It also has two comfortable, sturdy handles that are great to move your backpack from one place to another, even if it's too heavy. Another feature I use a lot and I love about this backpack is this strap, which allows my backpack to slide over the luggage tube and secure it while I'm moving around the airport or anywhere else. And I'll always be grateful to have this awesome backpack because of all the many roomy compartments that it has for daily necessities such as pens, electronics, and water bottles, umbrellas, and books, literally anything. And it will definitely help you keep your things organized. So if you guys are looking for your perfect travel companion, this is the one. I found it, you found it too. It's up to you now. I love this backpack and I know you love it too, but that's just my point of view.